Without using a ladder, the Clik-Clik magnetic hanging system allows you to quickly hang display items from most metal surfaces simply and safely.
After a quick demo, we'll review the components.
First, prepare 2 identical lengths of loop line. Made of continuous 2-inch loops, just count an equal number of loops for each line, or fold and trim as shown.
With loop line, you'll never waste time getting signs level. Because there are no knots to tie, signs hang level every time.
Attach the loop line to a click magnet by feeding the loop line through the ring and the other end through the first loop.
Bring the other end through the sign grommet and pass the click magnet through the loop. Repeat with the other side.
Twist a dual mag mover onto your magpole. The magpole is short for easy transport and loading of the click magnets.
Load as shown, magnet side up, with the ring sitting in the slot. The push buttons extend the magpole to a sturdy 18 feet.
Rotate the mag mover so only the first click magnet comes in contact with metal. Walk anywhere you want to make the next attachment point.
Have an industrial ceiling? No problem. The system can also be used on metal beams and decking.
That's it. Without damaging the ceiling, in just seconds you've put your display item exactly where you need it, all with your feet securely on the ground.
To remove your item, rotate the corkscrews on your mag mover, extend the magpole, insert a corkscrew fully into the ring and pull. The corkscrews keep your sign from falling. Repeat.
Retract the magpole and your item is retrieved.
To change your promotion, just unloop the reusable loop line and quickly attach it to your new sign.
The Clik-Clik system is the smart, safe, simple solution you've been looking for. Now, let's look at the components of the Clik-Clik system in more depth.
The patented loop line is a huge time and money saver. To help it disappear in any environment, loop line is available in white, black, or clear.
Regular loop line will hold up to 25 pounds. Loop line light will suspend up to 5 pounds. Because loop line can be easily cut to any length with scissors, it's ideal no matter the height of your ceiling.
Pass a loop through the sign grommet, then feed the other end of the line through this loop. With the free end, pass the loop through the ring, then open the loop and pass it over the click magnet.
Click magnets are surprisingly strong. Regular click magnets hold up to 5 pounds. Super click magnets hold up to 10 pounds.
Click magnet rounds come in 3 strengths. The yellow hold up to 5 pounds, blue up to 10 pounds, and the red hold up to 20 pounds. Click magnet rounds are designed to work with flat hats. Flat hats are for very high ceilings. They have metal inside them that connect with the click magnet rounds, so pre-installing the flat hats from the ceiling can lower your installation height.
The patented mag movers are specially designed to position and retrieve click magnets.
The single mag mover can be used when only one attachment point is needed.
The dual mag mover allows up to 2 separate attachment points.
The 24-inch mag mover has an orange indicator on each post. When loading a click magnet, place the ring around the orange side.
The 24-inch mag mover is perfect for hanging wide items with shorter lengths of loop line, or if you choose, to attach 2 click magnets at the same time. Both click magnets can be captured at the same time for fast, easy removal.
MagMovers screw onto any standard threaded pole. Even a broom handle will work if your ceiling isn't very tall.
The lightweight 1-button pole extends to 8 feet for installations on ceilings up to 12 feet.
The aluminum and fiberglass MagPole and Monster MagPole line are ideal for most applications. Their push buttons make them faster to use and easier to control than other extension poles. The 18-foot MagPole works for ceilings up to 22 feet, and the 23-foot Monster allows for installations up to 27 feet. Always extend and retract the poles vertically.
Loop line, click magnet, MagMover, and MagPole. With the speed, simplicity, and safety of the Clik-Clik system, you're ready to install any sign, decoration, or other display item wherever you want it. You may never use your ladder again.